Okay, you guys, we're gonna do this review over here at Raw Customs, Sprayway Customs, on this Xtreme Power Jackhammer, 2200 watts, electric. He got it off Amazon. I think it cost like about $120, maybe $125, somewhere like that. So we're gonna get this thing a run, because if you rent one, you're gonna spend that much when you go rent it. So
especially if you use it for 2 days.
yeah, for 2 days, you're gonna be, cause they charge you about 8 hour shifts, I think, when you rent things. So, and we ain't gonna be able to break up what we got to do in 2 days, I know. So he just decided to go ahead and buy one, which is the better money ahead. So we're gonna do this review on it. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, you guys, as you can see, we got the jackhammer laid out. We finna get ready to unbox them. This is what we're gonna be using. It's a Xtreme Power 2200 watt jackhammer. It has a cord on it, so it's electric. And Sprayway thought this would be the best way to go on this one. Instead of renting one, just buy one, cause we ain't no way we're gonna be able to break this up in 2 days. So it came out money ahead. Y'all already know Sprayway gonna figure out the best way to save the dollar, y'all.
Hey, we might can't break it up in 2 weeks.
I hope not. No, I hope we ain't out here 2 weeks breaking it up, y'all. We're gonna try to get on out the way, cause as soon as we get her out the way, it's time to start breaking out the other unboxing on the other equipment that we're gonna have out here. So, y'all, here we go with the unboxing. Okay, as you can see, he decided to change the game plan up a little bit, so we decided to start at the very tip end and then work the way in like that.
Let me take some of this off. See how we ain't got no rebar, so that's good.
Yeah, we're gonna have to start on the corner and just work the way in. This might be a long process.
Yeah, you gotta take it a day at a time. It'll get done,
This is gonna be a long process.
We got a little hope now, though.
Yeah, we got a little hope. We're figuring out something though. Y'all know it always take trial and error, and you gotta learn your tool.
And stay in your lane.
Yeah.
We ain't staying in our lane. We trying everything.
Yeah, we in everybody's lane. We all over the highway, but that's how we practice and become better drivers. We trying out all the lanes.
Yeah.
So
that way it wasn't working for us.
Yeah, that guy's way wasn't working for us, so we just went to this way.
We went to I know they would have got in the comment section. Start on the end. Start on the end. So we went on and did.
So it looked like we're gonna be on this project for a while. So anybody out there with any jackhammer experience, if y'all know how Sprayway can get it done a little bit, a little better, we could get it done. You know what I'm saying? But y'all jump down in that comment section. Y'all sure enough let us know about it now, cause this is gonna be a little process, and we're gonna bust this whole slab up. Yeah. I'm thinking. Me personally, I told him, I said, shoot, grab a 20, but we get a 20-pound sledgehammer.
Yeah, like we got it.
And get to knocking off chunks going down this thing, but pretty much the same thing. But hey, that'll be a mean process too. But I guess I'm used to a lot of manual labor. All right, you guys, y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get you guys cut back on.
We got Raw. He finna show us his expertise with the jackhammer.
Yeah, we're gonna try it, y'all. jackhammer, y'all. Some serious business. Okay, you guys, I'm coming back on the review on the Xtreme Power jackhammer. I got to say, the jackhammer is doing its job. It's not hot. It's not hot. And as you can see, it's busting concrete. It's jackhammering that concrete up. That's what we need. But there's a but in there. If you got a small job, this jackhammer is excellent. But for trying to break all of this up, what you see us standing on right here, we got to rewrite the book. We got to go in the playbook and come up with some more plays, because this right here is too time consuming. And you know, we trying to, you know what I'm saying, we trying to not consume as much time as possible, because we already been down so long. So yeah, but it's a great jackhammer though, and I suggest you guys, if y'all needed one, go buy one. All right, cut you guys back on. That's my review for this jackhammer. So I'm not gonna cut you guys back on. Y'all go down there. This is no sponsorship. This is no nothing. This is just us letting y'all know about this jackhammer. So y'all go buy one. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Peace. Okay, you guys. What we about to do now, we're gonna show you the difference between that concrete over there we was trying to bust up earlier versus this add-on right here, addition that Sprayway put on here himself. So we're gonna let him demonstrate how this concrete gonna bust up. This is how all of us need to be busting up. Y'all see how she lifting up? That's how we wanted all of it to do, but it ain't. See it? But watch your foot. Well, there you have it. That's how easy it's busting up. Y'all stay tuned. Get in them comment sections, man. We're going to rewrite the game plan on this one here, y'all. We're rewriting the game plan on this one. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to try to get this video out to y'all today so y'all will know what's going on. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all clicking on Raw Customs. Hit that subscribe and hit that notification bell, because it's coming, y'all. We got them rolling out for y'all.